What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
All right, guys, 2023 GMC AT4. Only got 800 miles on it, guys. It's insane. Beautiful truck. This is the second truck we do for him. Well, we got done on this beast. Factory converter, factory Y, factory flex. Then we installed the FLOWMASTER Super 10 right there. Offset, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then we had to add a piece of pipe of 3-inch. Then it goes 3-inch over the rear end, out the back. Then usually there's a resonator there and it goes and it's covered off. You don't see it. We took it off and put 3-inch pipe. There's a resonator right there that was on it. We took it off and ran a 5-inch black tip to complete the beautiful look, as you guys can see right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Guys, we got a 2023 GMC AT4. Beautiful car, as you guys can see. Did a single for him today. He'll bring it back and we'll dual it out later on. Factory converter there, then it wires into a single, then a flex pipe there, 3-inch pipe. The muffler usually goes right here. We just took it off and straight piped it. Right there, 3-inch pipe. Then it goes over the rear axle there. And then we did a resonator delete also, right there. And he wanted to see a little bit of chrome or stainless steel, so we put him a tip on it out the back right there to complete the look, as you guys can see there. Now the muffler and resonator that were on it are right there. I'm looking for them. There's the muffler, there's the resonator we cut off, so we just straight piped it for him. We'll let you guys hear the first AT4 straight piped. Like always, guys, like, comment, and make sure you guys subscribe. Much better. It is a 5.3, guys. Much better. So much cleaner now. You could barely hear it before. You wouldn't be able to hear it at all. I'll let you guys hear the sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 95. He's barely revving it. It's a lot deeper now. It wasn't even 80 before. It still sounds good. It's not crazy loud. It is the 5.3, guys. Remember that. Guys, nice deep blue. Let you guys hear on the inside. Straight pipe. Wow, that sounds nice. 5.3 liter. Wow, that's cool. Oh yeah. That is loud. Sounds mean. Here, sound decibels. Go ahead. 105. Again. Go ahead and back it up. Ain't your typical grocery getter anymore. Gotta admit, that sounds sick. like it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. GMC AT4 Yukon 5.3. Beautiful. I love the look of them. They're growing more and more, guys. I don't know what to do. That sounds so good. Much better. Enjoy, guys. GMC AT4 5.3 liter V8, fully straight piped. Just a sexy car. I love the new look of these. They're so mean. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Enjoy, guys.